Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like iPhone keeps popping up a new iOS update is now available on your iPhone. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to check your update from your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to open the settings on your iPhone. Alright, so after you open the settings, you'll have to just tap on the option general. Okay, so from the general section, you'll have to go to the option software update. Alright, so now from here, make sure that you have updated the latest iOS version on your iPhone. So simply you can update it from here. So if you are still facing that problem, you'll have to just back from here. And now from this section, you'll have to set the date and time automatically on your iPhone. So for that, you'll have to again go with the option general. And from here, you'll have to scroll down and go the options like data and time. Okay, so from here, make sure that you have turned on this feature like set automatically. So from here, you'll have to turn on this, and after you've done all of the procedure from here, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.